Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're talking about a penny stock that has massive potential and it is still flying extremely under the radar right now. I have spoken about this before. I've done an analysis video on these, but today we're going to bring you some of the updates and a little bit more about this company, why I think it has massive potential going forward. And for full transparency, I am a shareholder in Kraken Robotics. I wasn't as of that previous video, but I couldn't help myself. I bought in. I think this has massive potential. So if you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated. We also have a specific channel for this penny stock on our Discord, which is completely free to join. Link is in the description below. So let's get into this. We're talking about Kraken Robotics, ticker symbol KRKNF. This is a penny stock that currently trades at this time of recording for 62 cents per share. Now, it's not really far off its all-time highs at the moment. If you look at the graph here, you can see it actually went up to around about 70 pence per share. So it's been holding its own considering how the market has been reacting, but it has gone down a little bit on a slight discount. From its highs, it is at a slight discount of 20%. So at these prices, you know, where do we think this could go? What's the prediction going forward? Well, let's go into some of the news around this company. First off, what is Kraken Robotics? Well, they are a marine technology company engaged in design and development and marketing of advanced sonar and laser sensors and systems. They have subsea power solutions for unmanned underwater vehicles for military and commercial applications. They're recognized as the world-leading innovators of SAS, which is a revolutionary underwater imaging technology providing ultra-high resolution imagery at superior coverage rates, which dramatically improve seabed surveys. Now, I've broke this one down in a lot more detail in terms of the actual what the company does in my analysis video. You can check that out afterwards. I'll leave it in the link in the description. They say that Kraken has been growing constantly since the inception, and it now provides a fully integrated suite of products including thrusters, batteries, sensors, vehicles, launch and recovery systems. It really is a cool, unique company. I said it before, I don't really know anyone doing something like this. I just think it's a really interesting company, okay? It's doing surveys of the seabed, 3D imaging, lots of technology, lots of vehicles, etc., unmanned vehicles as well. Kind of like drones as well, but for the like submarine drones, if you like. Doing lots of cool things. But what we want to talk about here is the latest contract announcement, which was this. Kraken announces $2.2 million of subsea batteries and sonar contracts and project funding. Another $2.2 million. That might not sound a lot, but we are talking about a company here with a current market cap of around about 100 million. We're going to go into some of the other deals as well in a moment because there are other deals. But this just came through literally a few days ago. 2.2 million of subsea battery and sonar contracts. Subsea batteries is one of their products. You can see it's received new orders totaling 0.7 million and funding awards of 1.5 million. And due to confidentiality reasons, their customers and partners cannot be named, but they are characterized below. They are existing US defense industry customer, which is, you know, great if they're returning and they're existing already. And they can see a delivery will occur in the first half of 2021, very soon, of course. And yeah, it goes a little bit more into this deal. Kraken has been notified of 1.5 million of funding awards across 2 projects from Germany's federal minor minister announced in February, okay? And you can see the Ocean Technology Centre Rostock is expected to receive up to 45 million euros over the course of the 9 years. Kraken Power will start 2 projects in Q4 of this year. So that is the big deal there, and this project is going to last for 36 months. We had that came out. We also had this, I just want to quickly touch on this. They received a certification for quality management system, okay? So they're being rewarded here and their hard work is being realized, okay? They've received a certificate for this and they said, we're very happy to be joined by the Kraken Robotics Systems for the ISO certification. Furthermore, Kraken is also working towards a variety of quality and safety certifications for its battery products to increase opportunities in the commercial and defense markets. With these certifications that are going to, you know, it's going to give them more opportunities going out there because their products have that kind of that safety label that, you know, we approve of this label, which is going to be massive on top of everything they already have going forward. Just wanted to touch on that. But let's just recap on some of the previous deals we mentioned. They had the 3.5 million of contract and funding awards, and we saw that was for the subsea battery, which was $1.5 million, and a funding awards of $2 million. That is on top of the recent deal of the 2.2 million we just mentioned, okay? So that is big. That's basically a combined total in the last couple of weeks of $5.7 million worth of contracts. And then we have to go into some of the previous deals as well that are currently ongoing. This is from their investor presentation. Danish and Polish Navy contracts totaling to 45 million. That is massive. 45 million, and they're working with the Danish and Polish navies. They also have, support from the Canadian government as well. We go on to see the Kraken Power Subsea batteries, Ocean Infinity contract, 9 million contract, military contracts, 4 million of Subsea batteries delivered to 2 US military customers. These deals are getting rolled out left, right and centre. And then we go on to see this. They're still chasing 100+ million of contract pursuits. And this is from a wide range of sectors, as you can see, offshore wind, acoustic signal processing, Navy sonar upgrades, etc. So they're still chasing 100 million there of possible contracts. And then we can even look here at the potential market by 2025, the maritime robotics market in the US alone of 10+ billion. That is a huge market cap there, which Kraken Robotics are tapping into, not to mention all of these deals that they are currently underway. They also have this potentially here. The Canadian government estimate for the contract ranges 20 million to over 40 million. Kraken intends to partner with several large defense contractors on this bid. So they're currently bidding for an RMDS, which is a remote mine hunting disposal system. That bid is currently ongoing, but that is the potential there, 20 to over 40 million. And the last thing here I want to touch on, well, there's more, but this is the last one for today's video. A 3-year, 19 million project funded by the Ocean Supercluster industry partners are Kraken. We currently develop an RAAS business under Ocean Vision. Kraken continues to develop new sensor and underwater vehicle technologies, trial and test them during several offshore technology demonstration campaigns. So a $19 million project they're running over the course of 3 years. Lots and lots of deals in the pipeline for this company. It is extremely under the radar. Nobody's really picking up on this one at the moment, and I find it quite bizarre because there's so much great news coming out. I guess it's not in a sector which is the forefront of everything going on, but you saw the market cap there, potentially 10 billion. If we add up all of these contracts that they've got over the course of the next 1 to 3 years, it is a massive amount. And like I said, let's jump into the stock. They currently have a market cap of 100 million, trading for 62 cents per share. In my opinion, this is a steal at these prices. They are currently making a loss. However, analysts do predict this is going to start making profit by the end of 2021. If we jump in here, this is from Simply Wall Street. You can see as of December the 31st, they are down 1.4 million, and that is in Canadian dollars, okay? They have a revenue of 15 million. But predicted by December the 31st, so 1 year on, they're predicted to have earnings of 6 million and revenue of 32 million. That's in Canadian dollars again. So those numbers are definitely on the up. Of course, that is a prediction, but with all of these contracts, I definitely see that definitely possible to get to those numbers. And the last thing here is looking at their assets and liabilities. It completely outweighs them. Their assets long-term and short-term outweigh their long and short-term liabilities. You can see 11.43 million assets long-term compared to the 4.6 in liabilities. So the numbers are looking good. Okay, they just need to start getting profitability now, which we're hoping by the end of this year, we should be seeing that by the end of these 4 quarters. So it's going to be exciting. This company has a lot of potential. And as I say, the share price, it's kind of remained a bit flat over the last week or so, or since mid-February. There's not been much volatility, and I don't mind that because this is a perfect time to keep building your position. This is a company I own, and yeah, interested to know your thoughts on Kraken Robotics. I will keep you updated on this one. It's very under the radar at the moment. I don't expect it to be for too much longer, but please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. This is a penny stock. It is going to be extremely volatile, okay? At the moment, it's a bit flat, but just as quick as these go up, they can come down. Let me know your thoughts, and if you've enjoyed this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.